My face, baby, because your girl looking cute. Okay, period, poo. Anyways, hold on. What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Queen D, and I'm back with another mukbang. Okay, you feel me? Anywho, so yeah, today was Mother's Day. It's like 11:28 p.m. and I was like, you know what? I might as well do me a little mukbang, eat some crawfish. Like, you know, I might as well. And my crawfish is cold now. I knew I should have came home early, but I was too busy riding around. I hate the way I be holding my hands, but I don't be liking my hands touching all this. Like, people be saying like I eat pretty. Like I be trying to look cute while I'm eating, but like you have to look cute while you eat. You feel me? And your girl look good. Like, baby, I'm popping. They can't tell me nothing. My crawfish is really cold. It's not that cold, but when I got them, they was like steaming hot. And I don't know what to talk about. Like, I don't know what to talk about at all. Guess I'm gonna just have to, I don't know. I really don't know. But, what should we talk about? You know what? Should I call Bree? I should. I'll call her. Hey, girl.
Hello. Hey, girl.
What's poppin'?
Huh?
Said, what's poppin'? Girl, I was... Huh? Thank you, girl. I'm waiting for a man to scoop me up.
They got you crawfish.
Yeah. And it's like, God dang it. Hold on, I'm finna... What? Dang, I miss my babies already. Yeah. Like, you know how you be around somebody for years? That's like me and you. When I be around Bree for a long time, everything she do makes me mad. Like, it just aggravates me. Like, oh my God. Bree can sneeze. No, she can blow her nose. Now, like, Bree, why are you blowing your nose? Huh? Yeah. She do. What's Friday? Hold on. Give me the tea. I wish I was going to my man's house. Today I don't have a man. Oh, I forgot to take that dude back. Bro, this stuff all in my teeth.
I'm almost done.
She said, babe, I'm almost done. She said, babe, I'm ready. She said she ready for it. She said she ready for whatever when it come down to her man, period. Ooh, okay, you can see me. Oh my gosh, I'm so full. And I really don't want to waste these crawfish because, like, who wastes crawfish? Like, if you throw away your crawfish, you ain't from Louisiana, like, for real.
You put that back in the bag and microwave it.
Yep. I don't like doing that, though.
We want it.
Yeah, but
Or you can take the crawfish out the shell, freeze it, and make a crawfish etouffee a couple of days later.
I ain't finna make that.
But you know I'm gonna cook yet, so you know I will.
No, I'm cook it, so you know I know. I'm finna tell you shut. Don't tell me shut up. I'm the man.
I'm the man.
Don't make me cough. Y'all, it might be like a month later when I post it.
Man, I'm supposed to have my hair first. I'm still on it. So, where did I get your mama's for Mother's Day? Where did I get them?
Bro, I still have a lot of crawfish. Come on. Who you know? I'll wait. I will wait. I'm just playing. You know when people be like drinking, they be like doing like that, like. But yeah, I think that's it for this video, cause I can't eat the rest of this. Like my stomach is hurting. I'm full, and I'm not about to keep eating. Cause this video is like really long, so I'm not gonna. Nah, not at all. I'm just mad that I have all this crawfish. But I'm gonna give it to my brother, so it's alright. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. And your girl Queen D is out. Free say bye.